We are doing describing words. Look at this lesson. We are doing this lesson and we have already done 2 pages of it, means definition of describing words with examples and some worksheets. Today we will do rest of the exercises. Let's see what is in the next exercise. Read the following story. Some nouns naming words have been underlined. Encircle the describing words for each of the underlined nouns. Okay, children, let's read it. What you have to do? You can see here that some words are underlined. Look at these words. You have to encircle the word which is before it and are describing words. Okay, let's do it. Once upon a time, there lived an old lady. One is given for an example. You can see here, old is a describing word and it has come here before lady. Lady is naming word, so it is underlined and you have to encircle the describing words only. She was very poor. Poor is also a describing word, but you have not to encircle it because after it there is no naming word. She led a lonely life. You have to encircle the word lonely because life is given here, which is naming word and which is underlined. One day she got a little lamb with green eyes. You can see here little lamb. Lamb is underlined. You have to encircle little and eyes is underlined. You have to encircle green. And white fur. Fur is also underlined, means you have to encircle white. Okay children, hope you understood what you have to do in this exercise. Rest of the lines you can do yourself. Let's do other exercise. Work with your partner and write at least 5 describing words each for the following. One example is given for you. Bag. You can see that here some describing words are given with bag, like new bag, torn bag, big bag. You can complete it old bag, then red bag, grapes. Like this we can write green grapes, ripe grapes, sweet grapes, then raw grapes, then rotten grapes. Rotten means which is totally um, destroyed. House. House you can write new house, old house, dirty house, clean house and painted house. Day. Sunny day, rainy day, hot day, cold day, windy day. King. Kind king, cruel king, ugly king, smart king, nice king. Neighbor. Nice neighbor, bad neighbor, good neighbor, kind neighbor, helpful neighbor. Okay children, you can do these exercises now. Let's do this worksheet. What you have to do here, let's see. The following group of words contain one wrong describing word. Underline it. The first one has been done for you. Look at this. Chocolate. Soft. Chocolate can be soft, can be tasty, can be sweet, can be harmful, but cannot be slow. Then dress. Dress can be new, can be red, can be costly, can be neat, but never clever. So clever is wrong word for dress, because clever is the quality of a human being. Book can be holy, can be interesting, can be good, and can be old, but cannot be soft. Soft is wrong word. Movie can be exciting, can be boring, can be entertaining, and can be long. Rich is not the quality of movie. Rich is wrong word. Baby can be naughty, can be active, can be cute, can be innocent, but cannot be thick, because thick is the quality of non-living thing. Fat is the quality of living things. So thick will be wrong here. Now the next exercise. Add at least one describing word before the underlined nouns and rewrite the sentences in the space provided. One example is given for you. The princess was sleeping on her bed. What you have to do here, you have to write one describing word before the word which is underlined. The pretty princess. You can write here beautiful princess, nice princess also. Was sleeping on her bed. Comfortable bed. Here comfortable is describing word which is added before bed. Now the next sentence, the lady gave the boy some money. Lady is naming word and boy is naming word. You have to write one describing word before lady and before boy. The kind lady gave the poor boy some money. The black clouds covered the clear sky. The little nightingale sang a sweet song. The naughty baby broke the new ink pot. The brave soldier killed the cruel enemy. The intelligent student solved the tough question or difficult question, you can write also. Now let's do the other exercise. Circle the describing words in the following words. A rich man once employed a Mahavat. Mahavat is the man who trained elephant. A rich man once employed a Mahavat for his pet elephant. Here, pet elephant, elephant is a naming word, pet is a describing word. You can encircle this describing word, pet. The Mahavat was a cruel man. Cruel is describing word. One I have left here. Rich is also describing word. Rich man, cruel man. And did not love the elephant. One day he went to a busy market. Busy is describing word. Riding on the elephant, he felt thirsty and bought a tender coconut. Tender, encircle this word, children, because it is a describing word. To drink its sweet juice. Sweet is a describing word. He broke the coconut on the elephant's head. The elephant was very angry. Angry is also a describing word, but we will encircle only those which is after describing, which is before naming word. He was a clever creature. Clever, encircle, children, and thought of teaching the heartless Mahavat. Heartless also describing word. On the way back, the elephant saw a big coconut. Big is a describing word. Three laden with green and juicy coconut. Green and juicy, both. The elephant plucked a huge coconut. Huge is a describing word here. With its long trunk, long you can encircle, and gave the Mahavat mighty blow. Mighty on the head with the coconut. Okay, children, this exercise has done. Now let's do the next exercise. First read it. What is this? Draw a doll, clown, genie on or any other thing, noun of your choice, and then describe it to your friends. One example is given for you. You have many toys. You can make one of the toys here like this. This is a doll, okay? And here some lines are written about the doll. My doll has big green eyes and long hair. She is wearing a white lacy dress and pink shoes. She has a small round purse in her hand. So you can see here big green eyes. Big and green. These two describing words are describing eyes. Long hair. Long is describing her hair. She is wearing a white lacy dress. White and lacy are describing dress. Pink pink is describing shoes, and small and round is describing purse. Okay, children, you can see here her purse is round and small. You have to make one picture here. Suppose you are making a clown. You have to write, my clown has round triangular shaped nose. He has a big cap. Okay, children, and 2-3 lines you can add more, and you have to underline the describing words. Or suppose you are making here one gun, so you will write about that gun in 2-3 lines and underline the describing word. Means you have to use describing words here and underline it. This is your homework. Okay, children, hope you like this video. Thank you.